We'll guide you through how to scan documents on an iPhone and send to an email. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've got a document you are wanting to scan and send. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Perhaps you've been working on some type of document and you've gone and signed it, and now you need to go and get it to somebody. We're going to guide you through how it's done, and this is actually quite simple to do with an iPhone. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. So what you need to do is go and open up the Mail app like so. So just open up the iPhone Mail. It should be on the first page. You can always drag down and search for Mail. Now what you want to do is go and press the new Mail button or the compose button in the bottom right. It'll go and say new message at the top. You can go and type in who you're wanting to go and send this to. I'll go and type this in here and go and choose somebody. Then you can go and press subject. So I can go and type this in. PDF. You may want to make it something else though. And then what you need to do is come into the main body by tapping there, and you can go and type in your message. I'll just keep this simple. So after you've gone and written the body of the email, you can then go and press on the paperclip icon in the bottom right, and you can press scan document, the second option. Your camera is going to open and you want to go and place the document in the view. It will go and take a scan, and if it's got multiple pages, you can then go and scan the next one. You can tap on it in the bottom left and you can adjust it, add filters, rotate it to your needing. I could press adjust at the bottom and go and adjust it ever so slightly. Press the tick in the top right, and you can press back in the top left, and you can press the tick in the top right. And there it is. When you're ready, you can press send in the top right, and that's it.